Welcome back, children. In last video, we started the exercise and extra question answers of parts of plant lesson. So here I told the new words, words meaning and match the following. So I am also sure that you all written in your science classwork. Now children, now I read the next part. That is the question number 2. Write true or false against each statement. First one, all plants have tap roots. This statement is false because some plants have tap root and some have fibrous root. Children, are you remember? I told now tap root like carrot and radish. It can and some roots like fibrous root. For example, rice, onion and grass. So all plants does not have tap root. Some have tap and some have fibrous root. Now the second one, the stem absorbs water from the soil. This statement also false because root absorbs water from the soil. Children, I said na, root absorb water from the soil and stem carries the water from root and it's supplied to all parts of plant. Now the next question, creepers have weak stems. It is true. So creepers like watermelon and pumpkin, it has a weak stem. It cannot grow erect. Now the next one, the stem grows below the soil. It is false because some stem can grow below the soil and remaining grow above the soil. Are you remember, children? Stem store food like potato, onion and ginger. These are stem but they can grow below the soil. And another one example, sugarcane. It can grow above the soil. So it proves that some stem can grow below the soil and some can grow above the soil. So children, you write these true or false in your textbook first. Then you can see and write and read also. So children, now I read the next one. So the next question, that is the fill in the blanks. The first one, the flat broad part of a leaf is also called dash. What it is called? The flat and broad part of a leaf. You remember now when I show the video of real plant leaves, at that time I said the flat broad part of a leaf is called as a lamina and it also called as a leaf plate. Now the next one, the process by which plants prepare food is called dash. So children, what is the process where the plants can prepare their food? It is photosynthesis. In photosynthesis, plants prepare food with the help of air, water, sunlight and chlorophyll. Now the next one, the roots of plants grow dash the soil. Where the roots grow, children? They can grow above? No, they can grow inside or below the soil. So the roots of plants grow inside the soil. Now the D1 means fourth. Fruits grows out of dash. Fruits. In video I show the which one? Pomegranate flower which can grows into fruit, means fruit grows out of flower, and also I show the custard flower also. Now the next one, the green substance present in leaves is called dash. The green substance, because of that green substance all leaves are green in color. So what it is called, children? So the green substance present in leaves is called chlorophyll. What it is called? Chlorophyll. Means chlorophyll, it is a green pigment. Because of that green pigment, all leaves are green in color. But some leaves have other than green color? Because they consist high concentration of anthocyanin pigment. That's why they can appear the other color than green, like red or purple or yellow color. So children, these fill in the blanks first of all you write in your test book, then you read twice thrice, then you write in your science classwork. So children, got now? You write the match the following, then true or false, and these fill in the blanks in your science test book first of all, and you read, then after that you can write these all in your science classwork. Now I read the next one, that is the question number 4. Answer the following. The first one, name the 2 types of roots and give one example of each. Means root. Answer. Now I will tell the answer. The first type, it is a tap root. Example, mango, neem tree. And the second type, fibrous root. For example, rice, grass. So children, you remember I show the roots, real roots, where the roots can grow below the soil, and there are 2 types of root. One is a tap root, which is a thick one, and another one is a fibrous root. It is a bunch or bundle of thin roots. It does not consist thick root. Now next question. Leaves are known as kitchen of plant. Why? Because the leaves make food for the plant with the help of air, water, sunlight and chlorophyll. So got na children, what is the answer? Because leaves prepare food, they make food, that's why they are called as a kitchen of plant. And they prepare food na, that process, when the plants prepare food with the help of air, water, sunlight and chlorophyll, that process is called as a photosynthesis. Now the next question. What is the function of stem? Answer. Stem gives support to the plant. It is the first function. Stem gives support to the plant. Second one. It carries food and water and supply to all parts of plant. Third one. It absorbs, it store food. For example, potato, ginger, sugarcane. Third function, it also store food. For example, potato, ginger and sugarcane. Got now what is the function of stem? Now the next question. Listen. Fourth one, give 2 functions of each. First, flower. Second, fruit. Answer. First one, functions of flower is as follow. First function, flowers have nectar in them which attracts bees and butterflies. And the second function, flowers grow into fruit and produce seeds. So these are the functions of flower, children. Means flower first of all, it has a nectar. And because of the nectar, all insects are attracted, and these nectars are converted into what? Honey. Now these flowers grow into fruit and it produces seed. That's why the flower is called as the reproductive part of a plant, because when we sow the seed, it gives another plant. Now the next question means the second one, functions of fruit. What are the functions of fruit? So listen, functions of fruit is as follow. The first one is the fruits produce and protect seed. And the second one, it store food and eaten by living things. So the first function of fruit means what? Fruit is a fleshy part of the plant. Means we can like, everyone like fruits now. Why? Because it is a fleshy, and some fruits have a sweet and some have a sour. And these fruits produce and protect the seed, means inside the fruit there is a presence of seed and that seed is protected by fruit, that fleshy part. That's why the seed is protected. And some plants have a one seed, some fruits have a one seed, and some have a many seed. I tell the example. Mango has a one seed, and the pomegranate, then papaya, it has a many seeds. And these fruits are eaten by all living things. Now I read the next question, the last question. Now the fifth question, state two difference between root and stem. When you write the answer, at that time you make the two columns in your science class for children, and then you write the difference. So you make two columns. In first column you write the root, and in second column you write the stem. Now I read the difference. The first difference, roots are present below the soil and stems present above the soil. Means root are present inside the soil and stem are above the soil. Now second function, roots hold the plant firmly in the soil. Root can hold the plants. Without roots a plant cannot stand firmly or definitely. And stem gives support to the plant. It does not hold the plant, it gives support to the plant. Now the third function, root absorbs water and minerals present in the soil. Means the water and minerals is present in a soil. That water and minerals are absorbed by root, and stem carries water and minerals from root. Here is the difference, children. Root absorb the water and minerals which is present in soil, but stem does not absorb. It carries. Carries means what? Moves from one place to another. Stem carries water and minerals from the root. Means whatever the root absorb water and minerals, it comes into stem, and that at that time the stem carries water and minerals from the root. So when you write the difference, children, you can write the correct point. When you write roots are present below the soil, in front of same line you can write the stem present above the soil. So you write the difference very correctly, children. Now I read the next part. Question number 5. Label the different parts of the pea plant shown below. So children, see the pea plant. So the first one, A1. Children, what is that? It is a fruit, and that fruit grows out of flowers. So the B labeling is a flower. Now the kitchen-up plant. Who is called kitchen-up plant? Leaves. So the C labeling or third labeling, it is a leaf. Now the next one, the part of a plant which is above the soil, it is a shoot. In shoot system, which part is the first one, which is very green in color when it is young one? What is it is called? Stem. So the first last labeling is a stem. One side, children, tell that. A labeling is a fruit, B is the flower, C1 is the leaf, and D1 is the stem. So your children draw this diagram in classwork and label it. Now the extra question answers. So children, these questions are not in your textbook. These are the extra. So the first extra question, it is a give two examples. First one, leaves that store food. In which plant leaves can store food, children? Example, cabbage, mint. Another example, which one? Fenugreek, spinach. These are also leaves which are eaten as a vegetable or food. Now the second one is the stem that store food. Which one's name that store food, children? Potato, ginger, then onion, sugarcane. You can write any two example. Now the third one is the root that store food. Answer: carrot, radish, beetroot. These are the example of root that store food. Now the second question, answer the following. First one, what is shoot system? What is shoot? I don't ask root. Shoot means above. So I will read the answer. The part of a plant which is above the ground level or soil, it is called as a shoot system, and root system it is a below the soil. Now the second one, what is midrib? What is midrib, I ask children? Answer: midrib is a thin tube which runs through the middle of the leaves. Midrib is a thin tube which runs middle of the leaves. So children, here we have completed our lesson number 3. So you write the all notes in your science classwork and memorize these all question answers, extra question answers, and after that when I send the worksheet, you also memorize these all worksheet question answers and you practice the all given diagrams, because this time also I will take the class test number 3 on this lesson part of plants. So children, when you complete the writing of all the notes, then you send these notes to my WhatsApp number. And children, please complete all the notes in your science classwork and memorize the all question answers day to day. Then and then you can perfect in the work. Thank you children. Stay home, stay safe.